Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at the Shark Steam and Scrub Steam Mop. I'm really looking forward to using this. As far as I know, this is the first of its kind where a steam cleaner has rotating pads. If there is any other out there, do let me know in the comment section below. I have also reviewed the Bissell Spin Wave and the Beldray Spin Max, but both of them use cleaning solution. With the Shark, you only use water. It's recommended to use distilled water. I live in a soft water area, so tap water for me is fine. At the time of recording, I picked this up from Amazon for £120. It normally sells for around £150. For the best price, click the first link in the description box below. I will also link it in the comment section as well. Before we start, if you find this video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section and subscribe to watch more reviews. So the model number for this is S6002UK. It comes with a 2-year guarantee, and as you can see there, it says 150 rotations per minute. It has 2 modes. It's suitable for all sealed hard floors, and this comes with a generous 8-meter cord. It's got some information on the box. What's inside the box? The quick start guide. Quick start guide. And the instruction booklet. Just wanted to point out, it's letting us know it has 2 modes, this light and normal, and it's letting us know what the light mode is good for and what the normal mode is good for. Get a filling cup, because I don't think this has a removable tank. There are 4 pads included. All 4 pads are the same. This grey line, Shark say that's the scrubbing part on the pad. The bottom, there's a plastic ring on there. You can't put these pads on wrong. They would only go on one way. An information sticker there. These are machine washable safe up to 40 degrees. You could get spare ones from Shark anyway. The handle, some branding there. Quick release cord hook and a little cord grip there. We get an 8-meter cord, fixed cord hook, an information sticker there. This steam mop is 1120 watts. It has a fixed water tank. There's the mode button there, so light and normal. That's what it looks like from the bottom. Yeah. The good thing I like about this, it stands up by itself. Just to point out, there's a max line there. I should have shown you this before. Just show you the pads. I've put a clean set of pads on. I've just turned down from the mains. It should heat up within 30 seconds. For this type of flooring, it's recommended to leave it on the light setting. It started releasing steam now. The steam mop is ready to use. As you can see, my floor, it hasn't been cleaned for over a week. I'll have to do a few passes on this. It's letting a decent amount of steam out and it's on the light setting. Let's pick it up. It's really light. Just show you the pads. As soon as you stand the mop up, it stops operating. If I tilt it back, I'm going to put it on the normal mode now. You can see it's spinning faster. It's letting a lot more steam out now. It's done a really good job. If I just show you the pads again. Look at that. I just took these in the washing machine. It's a lot easier because some of the cleaners I've used, they require a lot of maintenance afterwards, like you've got to wash the tanks and stuff. But with a steam cleaner, it's easy because you just take the pads off and either hand wash them or put them in the washing machine. This gives a runtime of 15 minutes. But then once the water has run out, you top it up again, and within 30 seconds, it's ready to use again. And it's light, so if you've got any problems with your arms or hands, or if you're elderly, this would be a good mop for you. We absolutely love it. I'll link it down below if you're interested in picking this up. I hope this video was useful to someone. If it was, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.